Welcome to the Easy English Exercise channel, where you learn English in an easy way. Today, we're going to practice slow listening and shadowing together. Shadowing means listening to English and repeating what you hear. It's one of the best ways to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. By the end of this practice, you'll feel more confident listening to English at a natural pace, and you'll notice your pronunciation getting clearer. This is a safe space to practice. No one is judging you. Just relax, breathe, and let's begin. Let's talk about what slow listening really means and why it helps you so much. Slow listening is when you listen to English that is spoken clearly and at a relaxed speed. This gives your brain time to understand each word. It gives your mouth time to copy the sounds. Many learners feel nervous when English feels too fast. That's completely normal. Slow listening removes that pressure. It lets you focus on meaning, not speed. When you practice slow listening regularly, something wonderful happens. Your brain starts to recognize patterns. You start to hear where words begin and end. You start to notice rhythm and melody in English. This is how children learn their first language. They listen slowly, they copy, they repeat. You can do the same thing now. Here's something you can do today. Find a quiet moment, maybe 10 minutes. Put on your headphones. Close your eyes if you want. Just listen to this audio from the beginning again. Don't try to remember everything. Just let the sounds wash over you. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the pauses. That's all. You tried that practice. That's real progress. Now, let's talk about shadowing and how to practice it, even if you feel shy. Shadowing is repeating what you hear, almost at the same time. You can say it out loud, or you can whisper, or you can even say it silently in your head. All three ways work. If you're walking outside right now, whisper quietly. If you're at home alone, say it out loud. If you're on a bus, repeat it in your mind. There's no wrong way. The goal is to copy the sounds, the speed, and the feeling of the words. Let's try something simple together. Listen first. I am learning English. Now you say it. I am learning English. Good. Let's try another one. Listen. I practice every day. Now you try. I practice every day. You stayed with it. That's what matters. Shadowing helps your mouth get comfortable with English sounds. Some sounds don't exist in your language. Your mouth needs to learn new shapes. Shadowing is like exercise for your mouth. At first, it feels strange. That's okay. Keep going. Let's practice a few more sentences together, very slowly. Listen first, then repeat. I listen to English every day. Now you. I listen to English every day. Next one. I speak slowly and clearly. Your turn. I speak slowly and clearly. One more. I am getting better every week. Now you try. I am getting better every week. You completed that practice. Even if it felt hard, you did it. Here's another thing you can do today. Later, when you have 5 minutes, stand in front of a mirror. Play this audio again. Watch your mouth as you shadow the sentences. You don't need to be perfect. Just notice how your lips and tongue move. This helps your brain connect the sound with the movement. Try it tonight before bed. It's a small habit that makes a big difference. Let's move to the next part, which is about listening without pressure. One big mistake learners make is trying to understand every single word. This creates stress. Your brain gets tired. You stop enjoying English. Instead, try this. Listen for the general idea. Listen for feeling. Listen for a few key words. Don't worry about the rest. Let me give you an example. Imagine I say this. Yesterday, I went to the market and I bought some fresh vegetables for dinner. Maybe you didn't catch every word, but you heard yesterday, market, vegetables, dinner. That's enough. You understood the idea. That's successful listening. When you practice slow listening and shadowing, give yourself permission to miss things. It's okay. Mistakes mean you're learning. Confusion means your brain is working. If you feel tired after 10 minutes, stop. Rest. Come back tomorrow. Slow is good. Slow is how you build a strong foundation. Let's practice a few more sentences now, and this time, just focus on the feeling, not every word. Listen. I feel calm when I practice English. Now you say it. I feel calm when I practice English. Next one. Listening is easier when I relax. You try. Listening is easier when I relax. Last one. I don't need to be perfect. Now repeat. I don't need to be perfect. You tried each one. That effort is building your skills. Here's something simple you can do while walking or cooking. Play English audio in the background. It can be this video, or another easy English video, or even a podcast for learners. Don't focus hard. Just let it play. Your brain will absorb the rhythm and sounds naturally. Do this for 15 minutes, 3 or 4 times this week. You'll notice improvement without even trying. Now let's talk about why repeating the same audio many times is so powerful. Many learners think they should always listen to something new. But actually, repeating the same audio is much more helpful, especially at the beginning. Here's why. The first time you listen, your brain is working hard just to catch the sounds. The second time, you start to notice words. The third time, you understand more meaning. The fourth time, you can shadow more easily. The fifth time, it feels natural. This is how your brain learns. Through repetition, through familiarity. So don't feel bad about listening to the same thing again and again. That's exactly what you should do. Let's practice some useful everyday sentences now, slowly. These are sentences you can use in real life. Listen first, then shadow. Good morning. How are you? Now you try. Good morning. How are you? Next. I'm fine. Thank you. You say it. I'm fine. Thank you. Another one. What's your name? Repeat after me. What's your name? One more. Nice to meet you. Now you. Nice to meet you. You completed those sentences. Even simple sentences are real English practice. Here's an action step you can take this week. Choose one short phrase from this audio. Maybe, I am learning English, or I practice every day. Say that phrase 10 times every morning, out loud or quietly. Say it while you brush your teeth. Say it while you make coffee. Say it until it feels automatic. This builds confidence. It trains your mouth. It makes English feel normal. Let's move to our final part, which is about building a listening habit that feels easy and natural. The best way to improve your English is to practice a little bit every day. Not 3 hours once a week. Just 10 or 15 minutes daily. Consistency is more important than length. Your brain needs regular input to grow. Think of it like watering a plant. A little water every day keeps it healthy. Too much water once a week doesn't work. English is the same. Small daily practice is the secret. So how do you make this a habit? Choose a specific time. Maybe every morning with your coffee. Maybe every evening before bed. Maybe during your commute. Link it to something you already do. This makes it easier to remember. And here's the important part. Don't make it hard. Don't tell yourself you need to study grammar or memorize vocabulary. Just listen. Just shadow a few sentences. Keep it light. Keep it enjoyable. If you enjoy it, you'll continue. If it feels like work, you'll stop. Let's practice a few final sentences together now. These are about your learning journey. Listen and repeat. I am a good learner. Say it with me. I am a good learner. Next one. I improve a little every day. Your turn. I improve a little every day. Another. English is becoming easier. Repeat. English is becoming easier. Last one. I believe in myself. Now you try. I believe in myself. You stayed with me through this whole practice. That shows commitment. Here's one more simple action for you. Tonight, before you sleep, think of one English word you learned or practiced today. Just one word. Say it 3 times, quietly. That's all. This tiny habit tells your brain that English matters. It keeps your learning active, even when you're resting. Now let's talk about your 7-day challenge. This challenge will help you build your slow listening and shadowing habit. It's designed to be easy and realistic. Day 1 and Day 2, listen to this audio once. Just listen. Don't worry about repeating everything. Let your ears get familiar with the sounds and rhythm. If you're walking, that's perfect. If you're resting, even better. Day 3 and Day 4, listen again, but this time try to shadow 5 or 6 sentences. Pick the easiest ones. Repeat them quietly or out loud. Don't rush. Take your time. Day 5 and 6, listen one more time and shadow as many sentences as you feel comfortable with. Notice how much easier it feels compared to day 1. Your brain has been working. Day 7, celebrate. Listen to the whole audio and shadow along as much as you can. Notice your progress. Notice how your mouth feels more comfortable. Notice how your confidence has grown. Remember, you can do this challenge while doing other things. While walking your dog, while folding laundry, while waiting for the bus. English practice doesn't need to stop your life. It can fit into your life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. You showed up, you listened, you tried. That's everything. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up again and again, even when it feels slow. You're doing better than you think. Every time you listen, your brain grows a little stronger. Every time you shadow, your mouth learns a little more. Keep going. Keep practicing. I'll be here whenever you need a calm, slow practice session. You're not alone in this journey. Take a deep breath. You're doing just fine.